A trust is not a legal entity. A lot of people get this confused. What is a trust? It's not like a company or an LLC or a partnership or anything like that. A trust is a legal relationship with a trustee. So there's three parties involved. There's the settlor, the person that puts the property in or the person that forms the trust. There's the beneficiary, the person that benefits from the trust. Maybe there's income coming out of the trust. Maybe there's just property in the trust. Maybe it's your kids. The trustee is the person that manages the trust. So the relationship has three different parties and it can take a lot of different forms, but the important point is it's not a legal entity. It's not something that you can sell to somebody else or change in certain ways. This started actually historically during the Crusades when the knights would leave and they had all this land and all these assets, but they would be gone for years on end and they might actually die while they're off in the Holy Land fighting a crusade or whatever. And so what they did is they formed a trust which says, I give this land to you in a legal relationship where you're going to manage and protect it while I'm gone. That was the formation of the concept. So that's a better way to think about it in terms of what it is rather than as a company or an asset that you can just sell. It's very different. And it's a concept that has survived in English common law jurisdiction up to this day. It's a very useful legal tactic because you can use it and it has a lot of flexibility and yet it's still respected by courts in terms of asset protection. So you can put assets inside of a trust, but it's not like putting assets inside of a company with all the rules associated with companies. It's a great technique. It's one that we use all the time and it's a very valuable legal concept, but it is a concept literally based on trust. It's a trust between two parties in terms of you're going to manage my property while I'm gone or you're going to manage my property after I die, but you have legal management responsibility over that property. That's the point of it. So it's a legal relationship. It's not an entity.